边,一边, English translation. This sentence structure is used to indicate that two or more actions are being performed simultaneously by the same subject. It emphasizes the parallelism and synchronicity of the actions. First, affirmative form. Key usage points. Same subject. The two actions must be performed by the same person or entity. Simultaneous actions. The two actions occur at exactly the same time with overlapping duration. Type of actions. Typically used for continuous, habitual, or routine actions. Neither action is primary or secondary. Both are of equal importance in describing the situation. Context. The two actions must not contradict each other or be logically impossible to perform together. Structure. Subject plus 一边 plus verb action 1 plus object 1. 一边 plus verb action 2 plus object 2. Examples. 我们一边走路一边聊天. We walk and chat at the same time. We are walking and chatting simultaneously. 他喜欢一边洗澡一边唱歌. He likes to take a shower and sing at the same time. He enjoys singing while showering. Second, negative form. Key usage points. The most common and natural way to express negation, indicating that the two actions are not or will not be performed simultaneously. Structure. Subject plus 不是一边 plus verb action 1 plus object 1. 一边 plus verb action 2 plus object 2. Examples. 他不是一边工作一边玩游戏. He does not work and play games at the same time. Or, it is not the case that he works while playing games. 她不喜欢一边听课一边做笔记. She does not like listening to the lecture and taking notes simultaneously.
姐姐喜欢一边做家务一边收听广播节目。姐姐喜欢一边做家务一边收听广播节目。
Elder sister likes doing housework while listening to a radio program.
她不是一边整理房间一边看电视节目。她不是一边整理房间一边看电视节目。She is not watching a TV program while tidying up the room.
她不是一边看手机一边过拥挤的马路。她不是一边看手机一边过拥挤的马路。
He is not crossing the crowded road while looking at his phone.
他习惯一边通过马路一边保持警惕。他习惯一边通过马路一边保持警惕。He is used to staying vigilant while crossing the road.
你周末常常一边看电影一边品尝美食吗？你周末常常一边看电影一边品尝美食吗？
Do you often watch movies and taste delicious food on weekends?
我不喜欢一边看电影一边接听电话。我不喜欢一边看电影一边接听电话。I don't like answering phone calls while watching a movie.
我们不是一边享用晚餐一边谈论工作细节。我们不是一边享用晚餐一边谈论工作细节。
We are not discussing work details while enjoying dinner.
大家习惯一边吃饭一边聊轻松的话题。 大家习惯一边吃饭，一边聊轻松的话题。Everyone is used to eating while chatting about light topics.
经理一边处理文件，一边交代重要任务。经理一边处理文件，一边交代重要任务。
The manager is handling documents while assigning important tasks.
他不是一边安排日程，一边玩手机游戏。他不是一边安排日程，一边玩手机游戏。He is not playing mobile games while arranging the schedule.
他不是一边喝咖啡，一边完成报告草稿。他不是一边喝咖啡，一边完成报告草稿。
He is not drafting the report while drinking coffee.
他喜欢一边喝水，一边专心致志地工作。他喜欢一边喝水，一边专心致志地工作。He likes to work intently while drinking water.
孩子们一边玩积木，一边学习新的词汇。孩子们一边玩积木，一边学习新的词汇。
Children are playing with blocks while learning new vocabulary.
他们不是一边学习，一边大声吵闹。他们不是一边学习，一边大声吵闹。They are not making loud noise while studying.
那个画家不是一边旅行，一边抱怨辛苦。那个画家不是一边旅行，一边抱怨辛苦。
That painter is not complaining about the hard work while traveling.
他一边欣赏风景，一边寻找创作灵感。他一边欣赏风景，一边寻找创作灵感。He is searching for creative inspiration while admiring the scenery.
父亲一边看报纸，一边督促孩子学习。父亲一边看报纸，一边督促孩子学习。
Father is urging the children to study while reading the newspaper.
他不喜欢一边看新闻，一边辅导孩子写作业。他不喜欢一边看新闻，一边辅导孩子写作业。He doesn't like tutoring the children with homework while watching the news.
售货员不是一边介绍产品，一边喝水。售货员不是一边介绍产品，一边喝水。
The salesperson is not drinking water while introducing the product.
他 一边演示方法，一边回答顾客提问。他一边演示方法，一边回答顾客提问。She is answering customer questions while demonstrating the method.
爷爷总是说，他一边散步，一边思考人生。爷爷总是说，他一边散步，一边思考人生。
Grandpa always says he thinks about life while taking a walk.
他不是一边散步，一边打扰路人休息。他不是一边散步，一边打扰路人休息。He is not disturbing passers-by's rest while taking a walk.
他不喜欢一边听课，一边做复杂的笔记。他不喜欢一边听课，一边做复杂的笔记。
She doesn't like taking complex notes while attending class.
他习惯一边听课，一边集中精力理解。他习惯一边听课，一边集中精力理解。She is used to concentrating on understanding while attending class.
我们一边讨论计划，一边修改合同细节。我们一边讨论计划，一边修改合同细节。
We are revising the contract details while discussing the plan.
我们不是一边讨论，一边互相争找。我们不是一边讨论，一边互相争找。We are not arguing with each other while discussing.
秘书不是一边打印文件，一边安排会议时间。秘书不是一边打印文件，一边安排会议时间。
The secretary is not arranging the meeting time while printing documents.
他一边安排会议，一边整理会议资料。他一边安排会议，一边整理会议资料。She is organizing the meeting materials while arranging the meeting.
妹妹一边画画，一边哼唱熟悉的儿歌。妹妹一边画画，一边哼唱熟悉的儿歌。
Younger sister is humming familiar children's songs while drawing pictures.
她不是一边画画，一边制造噪音。她不是一边画画，一边制造噪音。She is not making noise while drawing pictures.
游客们不是一边拍照，一边抱怨天气。游客们不是一边拍照，一边抱怨天气。
Tourists are not complaining about the weather while taking photos.
大家一边记录景色， 一边为亲友挑选礼物。大家一边记录景色，一边为亲友挑选礼物。Everyone is picking gifts for relatives and friends while recording the scenery.
我一边积累经验，一边为自己赚取生活费。我一边积累经验，一边为自己赚取生活费。
I am accumulating experience while earning living expenses for myself.
我不是一边学习，一边兼职做服务生。我不是一边学习，一边兼职做服务生。I am not working as a waiter part-time while studying.
厨师不是一边尝味道，一边接听电话。厨师不是一边尝味道，一边接听电话。
The chef is not answering the phone while tasting the flavor.
他一边品尝美食，一边调整调料的比例。他一边品尝美食，一边调整调料的比例。He is adjusting the proportion of seasonings while tasting the delicious food.
我喜欢一边享受宁静，一边阅读专业书籍。我喜欢一边享受宁静，一边阅读专业书籍。
I like reading professional books while enjoying the peace.
我不是一边喝茶，一边处理紧急事务。我不是一边喝茶，一边处理紧急事务。I am not handling urgent matters while drinking tea.
团队成员不是一边开会，一边玩手机游戏。团队成员不是一边开会，一边玩手机游戏。
Team members are not playing phone games while having a meeting.
他们一边听取报告，一边认真记录重点。他们一边听取报告，一边认真记录重点。They are seriously recording the key points while listening to the report.